the preparation. Two methods for the preparation of alcohol. One is the hydrolysis of the alkyl halide. Hydrolysis of the alkyl halide. Already that reaction will be studied into the last topic, that is the reactions of the alkyl halide. The first reaction of alkyl reaction with the aqueous KOH or the aqueous NaOH. Okay, hydrolysis of alkyl halide, or from, we can say that the from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide. Alkyl halide means RX, that is hydrolysis of alkyl halide. And we can say that the hydrolysis of alkyl halide by using aqueous KOH or the aqueous NaOH, by using the aqueous KOH or the aqueous NaOH, by using the aqueous KOH or the aqueous NaOH. Now in this reaction already we can study in the last topic. When this alkyl halide, suppose we can take this is the alkyl halide RX, when that alkyl halide can be reacted with the aqueous solution of the NaOH, can be reacted with or can be boiled with the aqueous solution of the NaOH. When it can be reacted with the aqueous solution of the NaOH, this X can be replaced by the OH. This X can be replaced by the OH, that is to remove the X and this Na, that is NaX, to remove the X and Na, that is NaX, and then to form the ROH plus NaX, ROH plus NaX, that is to form the alcohol. This is the alcohol, formation of the alcohol from the alkyl halide. This is the alkyl halide. From this alkyl halide to form the alcohol, when this alkyl halide can be reacted with aqueous NaOH. Instead of aqueous NaOH, we can take also the aqueous KOH. Aqueous NaOH ऐवजी आपण इथं aqueous KOH घेऊ शकतो, and the X can be replaced by the OH and to form the alcohol. This reaction already can be studied into the last topic. This reaction can be used for the preparation of the primary alcohol as well as the secondary and tertiary alcohol. These reactions can be used for the preparation of all these alcohols, primary, secondary, and the tertiary alcohols. Okay, for example, we can take the C2H5Br. Okay, we can take the example as a C2H5Br. When the C2H5, suppose we can take the aqueous solution of the KOH. When it can be heated with the aqueous solution of the KOH, then this Br can be replaced by the OH and to form the C2H5OH plus KBr, that is to remove this Br and then this KOH, K, to remove the byproduct KBr and to form the ethyl alcohol, to form the ethyl alcohol, or this is also called as ethanol. This is the bromoethane, bromoethane or ethyl bromide. Okay, this ethyl bromide can be converted into the ethyl alcohol, or IUPAC name is ethanol. Suppose we can take the another one or example, CH3, CHBr, CH3. You can take the secondary alkyl halide. You can take the secondary alkyl halide. This is the 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. And when this 2-bromopropane can be reacted with aqueous KOH or NaOH, then what happens? This Br can be replaced by the OH. This Br is replaced by the OH and to form the CH3, COH, CH3 plus KBr, that is this K and this Br is removed, and this Br can be replaced by the OH, secondary alkyl halide converted into the secondary alcohol. Secondary alkyl halide can be converted into the secondary alcohol, can be converted into the secondary alcohol. This is the propane to OL, propane to OL. This is the propane to OL. Understand this? This is the formation of the secondary alcohol. Another, we can take the one more example as a CH3, CH3 and Br, tertiary butyl bromide. Can take the tertiary butyl bromide. tertiary butyl bromide, or IUPACic name of this compound is 2-bromo-2-methyl propane. 2-bromo-2-methyl propane reacted with aqueous KOH. When it can be heated with aqueous solution of the KOH, again this Br can be replaced by the CS3, sorry, OH. Br can be replaced by the OH, and to form the CS3 OH plus KBr. That is to form the 2-methyl propane to OH, or tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. This is the common name, and the IUPACic name of this compound is 2-methyl propane to OL. 2-methyl propane to OL. This is the preparation of alcohol by using the alkyl halide. This is the preparation of alcohol by using this alkyl halides. Okay, this reaction will be studied in the last topic. Okay, पहिल्या टॉपिक हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ अल्केन मध्ये आपण ही रिएक्शन बघितलेली आहे. याच्यामध्ये ह्या रिएक्शन मध्ये काय करायचं, हॅलोजन कॅन बी रिप्लेस बाय द OH ग्रुप. हॅलोजन जो आहे हा हॅलोजन काय करतो, याच्यामध्ये OH ग्रुप जो आहे तो OH ग्रुप ने याच्यामध्ये रिप्लेस करतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ हायड्रॉलिसिस रिएक्शन. त्याला दुसरं काय नाव दिलंय, हायड्रॉलिसिस ऑफ अल्काइल हॅलाइड. हायड्रॉलिसिस ऑफ द अल्काइल हॅलाइड. अल्किल हॅलाइड रहते, अल्किल हॅलाइड काय करतो, हायड्रॉलिसिस करते. आलं लक्षात आहे. दिस रिएक्शन कॅन बी यूज्ड फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल, सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल अँड द टर्सरी अल्कोहोल. प्रायमरी, सेकंड, टर्सरी ह्या तिन्ही अल्कोहोल साठी ही रिएक्शन आहे. ही रिएक्शन त्याच्यामध्ये यूज केली जाते. याच्यामध्ये ही रिएक्शन ही रिएक्शन वापरत असताना याच्यामध्ये सपोज वी कॅन टेक द प्रायमरी अल्किल हॅलाइड, वी कॅन टेक द प्रायमरी अल्काइल हॅलाइड टू फॉर्म द प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल. Can take the primary alkyl halide to form the primary alcohol. We can take the secondary alkyl halide to form the secondary alcohol. Take the tertiary alkyl halide to form the tertiary alcohol. To form the tertiary alcohol. आलं लक्षात आहे. हे झालं preparation of the alcohol by using this alkyl halide. Now we can study the second method. Hydration of alkene. Second method, hydration of alkene. In that hydration of alkene, in the hydration of alkene, hydration means addition of water molecule across the carbon-carbon double bond. Addition of the water molecule across the carbon-carbon double bond is called as a hydration. हायड्रेशन हायड्रेशन म्हणजे तरी काय, अक्रॉस द कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड. सी दिस इज द कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड. Across this carbon carbon double bond we can add this water molecule. We can add the water molecule and to form the alcohol. This is called as hydration in the presence of the acid. Okay, this is reaction is acidic medium reaction. In that reaction, across this carbon carbon double bond, addition of water molecule can be takes place, and then to form the alcohol. That reaction is called as hydration of alkene. The chemical reaction in which addition of water molecule across the carbon carbon double bond is called as a hydration. लक्षात आलं का बघा. हायड्रेशन मध्ये काय करतो आपण, अक्रॉस दिस कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड जो आहे अक्रॉस द कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड मध्ये वॉटरचं एडिशन करतो इन द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ ऍसिड, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज द हायड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कीन. मग हे अल्कीन जे आहे ते अल्कीनचे हायड्रेशन जे आहे ते हायड्रेशन करत असताना आपण कसं हायड्रेशन करायचं याच्यामध्ये, तर दिस मेथड कॅन बी युज्ड इन दॅट मेथड व्हेन अल्कीन फर्स्टली रिएक्टेड विथ कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड H2SO4. When alkene firstly reacted with concentrated H2SO4, then to form alkyl hydrogen sulfate. To form the alkyl hydrogen sulfate, and this alkyl hydrogen sulfate on the hydrolysis to form the alcohol. बघा लक्षात आहे का, पहिल्यांदा अल्किन आहे तो अल्किन घ्यायचा आहे, and that alkene can be used reacted with the concentrated H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, then to form alkyl hydrogen sulfate, to form the alkyl hydrogen sulfate, and that alkyl hydrogen sulfate on the boil with water, or it can be reacted with water and then to form the alcohol. This method is convenient for the preparation of secondary and tertiary alcohol. This method is convenient method for the preparation of the secondary and the tertiary alcohol. Also, we can prepare only one primary alcohol, that is the ethyl alcohol. See the example. Suppose we can take the example CH2 double bond CH2. Firstly, prepare the primary alcohol only. Primary alcohol. When this ethene CH2 double bond CH2, when that ethene reacted with the concentrated H2SO4, reacted with concentrated H2SO4, when it can be reacted with concentrated H2SO4, then this OSO3H attached to this carbon atom, and then hydrogen atom can be attached to the another carbon atom. That is, addition can be takes place across this carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, then this CH2 becomes CH3. Then carbon-carbon double bond is break, and then this CH2 and addition of here OSO3H. This is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Instead of spelling of the sulfate, also we can write as like F. Instead of PH, we can write also F. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Second, when this ethylene reacted with concentrated H2SO4, reacted with concentrated H2SO4, then form ethyl hydrogen sulfate, form the ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay, when this ethyl hydrogen sulfate, this ethyl hydrogen sulfate reacted with water or by heated with the water, then this H2SO4 is removed, and to form the CH3 CH2OH plus H2SO4 plus H2SO4. This is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol. When this ethene, reacted with concentrated H2SO4, then to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate, to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay, when this ethyl hydrogen sulfate in second step reacted boiled with water or heated with water to form the ethanol, to form the ethanol with regeneration of the H2SO4. Understand this? This is a primary alcohol, and only one this primary alcohol can be prepared by this method. No any other primary alcohol prepared by this method. ह्या मेथड न फक्त हा एकच प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल प्रिपेअर करता येतो, दुसरा कोणताही प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल या मेथड आपला प्रिपेअर करता येत नाहीये. काय केलंय परत एकदा बघा, हा इथिन घेतला, इथिन कुणाबरोबर रिॲक्ट केलाय, कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड H2SO4 बरोबर रिॲक्ट केला. आणि ज्यावेळेस कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड H2SO बरोबर रिॲक्ट केल्यानंतर काय होतं, कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड जो आहे, हा कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो. OSO3H attached to this carbon atom, H can be attached to this carbon atom to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate. काय तयार होतं याच्यामध्ये, हा इथाइल हायड्रोजन सल्फेट जो आहे, ह्या इथाइल हायड्रोजन सल्फेटचं फॉर्मेशन जाते, फॉर्मेशन होते. ओके, when this ethyl hydrogen sulfate can be heated with the water, then this OSO3 and H2SO4 can be regenerated then to form the ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH ethanol. Understand? By this method can prepare only one this primary alcohol. हा एकच प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल या मेथड आपला प्रिपेअर करता येतो. दुसरा कोणताही प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल जो आहे हा प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल या मेथड आपल्याला प्रिपेअर करता येत नाही. क्लिअर झालं इथपर्यंत? ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल. Okay, we can take your example as a propane CH3 CH double bond CH2 propane. When this propane reacted with concentrated H2SO4 H2SO4 आपल्या सोयीसाठी HOSO3H एवढा केला. ओके, when in cold condition मध्ये रिएक्शन होईल, then this addition can be takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. जे ऍडिशन होणार आहे ते ऍडिशन कसं होतं याच्यामध्ये अकॉर्डिंग टू द Markovnikov rule नुसार ऍडिशन आहे ते ऍडिशन होईल. then this negative part can be attached to this carbon atom. Okay, and this hydrogen can be attached to this carbon atom. This negative part of this reagent can be attached to the carbon atom which carries less hydrogen atom, and then this hydrogen can be attached to this carbon atom to form CH3 CH CH3 and there OSO3H OSO3H. This is isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Then this isopropyl hydrogen sulfate reacted with water CH3CH CH3 OSO3H HOH, then OSO3H, this part is removed, and then to form CH3 CH OH CH3 plus H2SO4 isopropyl alcohol or propane to OL. Isopropyl alcohol or propane to OL. Understand this? This is the secondary alcohol. The addition can be takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. Addition can be takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. Okay, लक्षात आलं? हा secondary alcohol. We can prepare any one secondary alcohol. Then we can take the tertiary alcohol by using the isobutylene. Tertiary alcohol. In that tertiary alcohol, we can take the example as isobutylene. In this isobutylene, direct hydrogenation can be takes place. इथं जे आपण दोन स्टेप वापरल्या त्याची काही इथं गरज नाही. Because of the reactivity of isobutylene is more, direct hydration can be takes place. That is direct HOH in presence of the concentrated H2SO4, or also we can take there 50% H2SO4, and then to form CH3 CH3 CH2OH. This OH attach here and this H attach here, and to form the tertiary butyl alcohol. Here also the addition can be takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. Addition can be takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. Understand this? This is the preparation of the tertiary alcohol. You can take this isobutylene and then this the isobutylene on the direct hydrogenation, hydration. Direct hydration by using the 50% H2SO4, then to form the tertiary butyl alcohol. to form the tertiary butyl alcohol. Clear झालं बघा. This method can be used for the preparation of the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, as well as tertiary alcohol, but it is a convenient, or it is not a convenient for the preparation of the primary alcohol, because of that by that method we can prepare only one primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. ह्या मेथड न फक्त एकच प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल प्रिपेअर करता येतो, तो म्हणजे कोणता? इथाइल अल्कोहोल. आलं लक्षात आहे? मिथाइल अल्कोहोल कॅन नॉट बी प्रिपेअर्ड बाय दिस मेथड. Understand? This is the hydration of alcohol to prepare the primary, secondary, and the tertiary alcohol. To prepare the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. In case of the tertiary alcohol, we can take the isobutylene. In that isobutylene, the direct hydration can be takes place because of more reactivity. More reactivity of the tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol ची reactivity जी आहे ती reactivity कशा याच्यामध्ये जास्त असते. क्लिअर झाला याच्यामध्ये. नेक्स्ट, in that reaction, how this reaction can be takes place, we can see the mechanism of the hydration. Mechanism of the hydration, that is how this hydration can be takes place of the alcohol. हे अल्कोहोल जे आहे ते अल्कोहोलचं मेकॅनिझम जे आहे ते मेकॅनिझम कसं होतं ते मेकॅनिझम आपल्याला बघायचं. This mechanism can be studied into the 3 steps. In first step, formation of the carbocation as an intermediate. In first step, formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation ion as intermediate. Carbocation आहे तो carbocationचं formation करायचं. In the formation of carbocation, we can take the acid. Acid means we can take the H plus ions. Suppose we can take this is water. When this water can be reacted with H plus ion to form the protonated alcohol acid. H3O plus. Because of that H plus are highly reactive, it can be reacted with water and to form the H3O plus. To form the H3O plus. Okay. In that H3O plus, this can be used as a protonation. Suppose we can take this is carbon-carbon double bond. Then this H plus ion. A lone pair of electron, and this is a positive charge. Then pi bond can be break, and this lone pair of electron can be goes on oxygen atom. Lone pair of electron on the oxygen atom, and then to form hydrogen atom, the proton can be attached here, this proton, and to form this is the carbocation. To form this is the carbocation plus H2. Lone pair of electron of this water molecule. This lone pair of electron. Okay. In second step, attack of nucleophile. In the second step, attack of nucleophile. In attack of nucleophile, same this intermediate positive charge here. Then nucleophile can be used as a water molecule. HOH. These are lone pair of form this water. Then this lone pair of electron can be attached here, donate here, and then to form the protonated alcohol. Okay, this is protonated alcohol. This is the carbocation, and then protonated alcohol, and last step deprotonation. डिप्रोटोनेशन. शेवटी काय करायचं याचं डिप्रोटोनेशन करून घ्यायचं. म्हणजे इथं आपण पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये प्रोटोनेशन केले, तेच परत काय करायचं त्याचं डिप्रोटोनेशन जाते, डिप्रोटोनेशन करायचं आहे. बघा then this pair of electron can be shifted as like this proton can be goes into the water molecule and then to form the CH and here OH plus this is the H3O plus. This H3O plus can be used into the first step. It can be removed here. लक्षात बघा, पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये आपण काय करतोय, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बोकॅटायन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द कार्बोकॅटायन, then attack of nucleophile, and then the last one is the deprotonation. Last one is the deprotonation. Okay, शेवटी काय करतो याच्यामध्ये डिप्रोटोनेशन जाते, डिप्रोटोनेशन करतो आपण. ओके, शेवटी डिप्रोटोनेशन जाते, डिप्रोटोनेशन. पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये आपण काय तयार केला, कार्बोकॅटायन तयार केला. पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये काय तयार करतो, कार्बोकॅटायन म्हणजे H2O प्लस H प्लस फ्रॉम ऍसिड, H3O plus तयार झाली. That is can act as a proton. This proton can be attack on carbon-carbon double bond. This hydrogen atom can be attached here and then to form this is the carbocation. ह्या कार्बोकॅटायनचं फॉर्मेशन प्लस H2O आहे तो H2O. Secondly, attack of nucleophile. This water molecule act as a nucleophile on this electron deficient electrophile. OH, H and H, the lone pair of electron इथं अटॅच होईल and then to form the protonated alcohol. काय तयार होतं याच्यामध्ये, हा प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहोलचं फॉर्मेशन जाते, फॉर्मेशन होते. प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहोल जो आहे, ह्या प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहोलचं फॉर्मेशन होईल. मग ह्या प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहोलचं फॉर्मेशन झाल्यानंतर मग फर्स्ट लास्ट स्टेप मध्ये डिप्रोटोनेशन करून घ्यायचं. लास्ट स्टेपला डिप्रोटोनेशन जाते, डिप्रोटोनेशन करा. डिप्रोटोनेशन केल्यानंतर काय होतं याच्यामध्ये, हा H2O यातला लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन काय होतं, याच्यामधला प्रोटॉन जायचं, प्रोटॉन इकडे जागा नाही, म्हणजे याच्यातला प्रोटॉन काढायचा. डिप्रोटोनेशन करायचं म्हणजे प्रोटॉन रिमूव्ह करायचंय. हा H आहे तो H2O कडे जाईल and then deprotonation can be takes place and to form the OH, that is a alcohol. काय फॉर्म होतो, अल्कोहोल आहे ते अल्कोहोलचं फॉर्मेशन. आलं लक्षात आहे. हे झालं मेकॅनिझम ऑफ द हायड्रेशन, मेकॅनिझम ऑफ द हायड्रेशन. इथपर्यंत काय शंका असतील तर विचारा. इथं आपण थांबूया, नेक्स्ट पार्ट उद्या बघू.